So in this tutorial video we're going to see how to connect the Zuppa Autopilot the first time to the ground control station. So there are a few things that you need before you do that. Not a few things, just one thing. You need this USB mini cable. So the USB mini cable, as you can see here, this is the USB mini cable. So this side of the USB mini cable goes to the autopilot. This side of the USB mini cable goes to the laptop or smartphone in the future. So we first plug this in, and then after that you plug this to the autopilot on the drone. Yeah, so we have plugged it in here. Just keep that down, and you can minimize the GCS. Right click on my computer, go to manage, and this will open up the device manager. We click on device manager, and the COM ports, you need to click on COM and LPT ports, COM and LPT. So you expand that, and as you can see, there's an item that's called Silicon Labs CP2102X USB to UART bridge COM3. So now that is the port that we need to access for our autopilot. So we access COM3 now. So I'm again switching it back to the GCS view. There are no comms present is what it's saying. If you try to even connect, it will give you a warning. So we need to press refresh about 3 times. Press the refresh button, as you can see on the left side of the GCS screen. Press the refresh button 3 times. You can see COM3 appears now on the GCS. So that's the port we need to connect to. The baud rate to set, that is this text box that the arrow is at. This baud rate to set is 9600. So 9600 is the baud rate. We click on 9600, and then you click on connect. We click on connect. So you can see the green flashing here means that it's been connected to the autopilot, and now it is finished. You'll have to wait for the indication saying downloaded everything from the autopilot. So all your parameters, the PID gains, declination angles, all of them have been downloaded. Now for the first time setup, you can see now the GCS has come alive on this. Now we need to do 3 specific calibrations. You can click on the calibration tab here. On the right side of the window there's a calibration tab. We click on that, and there are a number of calibrations. So the first calibration we'll do is to calibrate the electronic speed controller. So that's kind of a manual calibration. So you keep the drone here, power off the do not connect the battery, but just connect the USB via the autopilot.